Yeah, it's good, man. So I'll meet you in there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll meet you in there. Okay.
So what was up with not saying bless you out there?
What do you mean bless you?
Well, I sneezed and you didn't say bless you.
Yeah, I was outside of the 2-foot radius. Like that's why I looked back. I had to make sure.
Oh, I saw you look back. You contemplated whether or not to say bless you, but you didn't.
Yeah, because like bless you, dude. Like it was like a 2-foot radius. You have to be within from the person.
You said
who's
that.
sneezing. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that.
They say bless you because they think that your soul leaves your body when you sneeze for a second. If you don't say bless you, then a demon can come inside.
Is there a demon in you?
Maybe now, who knows?
Hey, no, man. Look, if you're outside 2-foot radius, it's optional. 2 to 10 feet, optional.
Where's this? Everybody knows if you hear if you hear someone sneeze, maybe a stranger, it's a 2-foot radius, but if you hear someone sneeze, you say bless you.
So you're saying I should have said bless you? I can't hear you. You said
yeah. Why you gotta be obnoxious like that? I'm trying to have a discussion.
I'm just talking. Okay, fine. So how far a radius do you? What kind of bless you radius do you?
If you
require?
hear me sneeze and you're within voice shot, you should say bless
What
you.
if on the phone?
No.
If I'm on the phone, I don't have to say bless you.
I don't know. It's a judgment call at that point.
That's what I'm saying. It was a judgment call.
No, that wasn't a judgment call. Bless you.
It's a good call. It's a good call. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. You win.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
you got the rules.
No,
I got the
yeah,
rules.
Yeah.
I understand the rules.
I'm glad you got the rules.
Okay, I understand the rules about sneezing. Are you gonna let it drop?
Yeah, I guess I will.
Okay. You're excused. Bless him, my ass.